It's 1881. Under the cover of night, an elusive Australian predator stretches its wide, powerful jaws and lifts its head to the wind, its acute sense of smell tracking its next meal. 13 to 21 stripes taper down its back to a whip-like tail, its 30-kilogram frame slim, muscular, and capable of taking down prey close to its own body size.
From a distance, you could easily mistake it for a dog, a fox, or perhaps even a dingo.
It's not actually a canid species. In fact, it hasn't shared a common ancestor with the dog for about 150 million years. It's actually a relative of the kangaroo. The animal in question, Thylacynus cynocephalus, otherwise known as the thylacine, or the Tasmanian tiger. An animal that remains one of the most mysterious carnivorous marsupials in Australia's history. Floating in a small jar of ethanol amongst the collections at Museum Victoria lies the answers to some of these mysteries. A research team led by Melbourne University has managed to extract DNA from a preserved thylacine pup, allowing them to map the animal's entire genetic blueprint, or genome, for the first time. And this blueprint didn't just reveal where the extinct animal sits on its family tree, but it also revealed that the thylacine, which was hunted to extinction in 1936, was in poor genetic health and had low genetic diversity tens of thousands of years before humans even entered the picture.
Genetic diversity plays an important role in an animal's ability to adapt to its environment. When there is low genetic diversity in a species, it means that animals have similar genetics and therefore similar weaknesses, and means that they are more vulnerable to disease, which is what we've been seeing in the thylacine's closest living relative, the Tasmanian devil.
Researchers initially thought that the Tasmanian tiger and Tasmanian devil experienced a decrease in genetic diversity around 10,000 years ago when they were isolated to Tasmania. But this new research has shown that the Tassie tiger actually lost its genetic diversity much earlier than that, around 70,000 years ago. Around the same time, there were some pretty extreme climatic events.
So this means that even if the Tasmanian tiger wasn't hunted to extinction, it'd still be quite vulnerable to changes in its habitat, changes in availability of food, and also disease.
Although conservationists may be too late to save the Tasmanian tiger, this research still has incredible value. Now that researchers know what the genome of an unhealthy marsupial population looks like, they can compare this to other modern marsupial species. They'll be able to use this as a point of comparison to see how healthy these other species are and how much they'll be able to adapt to changing conditions.
The effects of climate change become more and more obvious with every passing year. Many of our modern day marsupials are facing greater environmental challenges. Being able to predict just how much danger a population is facing has great conservation potential for a whole range of marsupial species, just like the Tasmanian devil or some earthlings here in the nocturnal house.